If you've been wanting to learn Notion but you're overwhelmed by the buttons, pages, and features, this video is your starting point. Today, I'll walk you through a simple beginner-friendly guide so you can finally understand how Notion works and start using it confidently. No complicated tech stuff, just the basics you actually need. Let's start with what Notion actually is. Think of it as a digital notebook, planner, and workspace all in one. Instead of switching between a Notes app, a to-do list app, and a document app, Notion lets you keep everything in one place. Pages are the foundation. You can create a page for school, work, your goals, finances, or literally anything you want to organize. Inside each page, you can type just like a normal document, but here's the magic. Every piece of content is a block. A block can be text, images, checklists, tables, calendars, embeds, and so much more. Let's create your very first page. Click the New Page button on the left sidebar. Name it something simple, like My Workspace. Now start typing. If you want to add a checklist, type / and search for To-Do List. If you want to add headings, type / again and choose heading 1, 2, or 3. Try adding an image by typing / and selecting Image. Notice how flexible it is. Everything drops exactly where you want it. Next, let's talk about databases, the feature that makes Notion powerful. Databases come in different views: table, board, calendar, list, and more. As a beginner, the table view is the easiest to start with. Create a new page and choose Table. This is perfect for tracking tasks, assignments, projects, or habits. Each row is an item, and each column is a property like due date, status, priority, or tags. Just click the plus button to add more properties. You can even filter and sort your tasks so your most important items always show up first. Once you're comfortable with pages and databases, try linking them together. This is where Notion turns into a real productivity system. For example, if you have a tasks database and a projects database, you can connect them using relations so each task is linked to a specific project. This helps keep everything organized without juggling separate apps or lists. Now let's look at templates. Notion comes with free built-in templates for journals, planners, budget trackers, and more. Just click Templates at the sidebar and browse until you find something useful. Duplicate it, customize it, and make it your own. Templates save time and help you learn how pages are structured. Finally, the best way to learn Notion is to start small. Create one simple page and use it daily. Don't try to build your entire life system on day one, it will feel overwhelming. Instead, start with something like a weekly planner or a task list. Once you feel comfortable, slowly add more pages and databases. And that's your beginner crash course. You now know how to create pages, use blocks, build simple databases, and customize your workspace. Keep experimenting, keep building, and soon Notion will feel like your second brain.